Hello children, I welcome all the 8th standard students to the Sri Narayan Guru High School's online teaching session. Now we will start science lesson number 2, health and diseases. All of us like to remain fit and healthy. That is why we all are sitting at home, right? You all are learning your lessons through online classes. Let us see what is health. Health is the state of complete physical, mental, social well-being of a person and not just absence of disease. What is disease? Condition of disturbances in physiological or psychological processes of the body is called as disease. Physiological means study of normal function of living organisms and their parts. Psychology means the study of mind and behavior. Each disease has its own specific symptoms. Next is types of diseases. You must have heard the name of various diseases like diabetes, common cold, asthma, Down syndrome, heart diseases, etc. Reasons and symptoms of all these diseases are different. To bring coordination in scientific study of diseases, diseases can be broadly classified into two different ways. First one is according to duration, second one is according to reason. According to duration, diseases are further classified as chronic diseases and acute diseases. Diseases that last for a long time is called chronic disease. Example, diabetes, tuberculosis. Diseases that last for a shorter duration is called as an acute disease. Example, common cold, typhoid. According to reason, diseases are further classified as hereditary diseases and acquired diseases. Hereditary diseases, example Down syndrome, that you will study next year in 9th standard. Acquired diseases are further classified as infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. Infectious disease now we will study. Non-infectious disease we will learn in the next session. So now infectious diseases. Diseases caused due to infectious agent or pathogen is called infectious disease. What do you mean by pathogen? The disease causing microorganisms is called pathogen. Infectious diseases are caused due to microbes like bacteria, fungi, virus, protozoa, etc. Infectious diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors, that means insect and other animals. Next, we are going to study some infectious diseases. First one is dengue. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. Malaria is caused due to female anopheles, while elephantiasis due to female culex growing in dirty sewage water. Dengue is spread by mosquito called Aedes aegypti, which is growing in clean water. This disease is caused by Den1-2 virus, belongs to the type flavivirus. Next is symptoms of dengue. Acute fever and headache, vomiting, pain in eye socket, decrease in platelet count. Next is preventive measures. Use of mosquito repellent, creams and lotions. Second one, use of mosquito net. Third, avoid accumulation of stagnant water inside and outside the houses. Fourth one, fumigation of surroundings at least once in a week. Next disease is swine flu. Swine flu is caused by the virus influenza. It is also known as H1N1. Infection for swine flu occurs through pigs and humans. Virus of swine flu are spread through sweat of infected persons. Similarly, it is spread through secretions of nose, throat and saliva. Symptoms of swine flu: difficulty in breathing, sore throat, body pains. For diagnosis of swine flu, liquid from throat of patient is sent in laboratory. Next is AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS is caused by human immunodeficiency virus, that is HIV. In this disease, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening of natural immunity. Diagnosis of AIDS cannot be confirmed without test in medical laboratories. ELISA test is used for its proper diagnosis. Symptoms of AIDS are person specific. AIDS does not occur due to touching and sharing the food with HIV infected persons or by nursing the HIV patient. Infection through animals. Rabies. This is a viral disease. It occurs due to bite of infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. Virus enters the brain through neuron. Symptoms. Hydrophobia is one of the important symptoms of this disease. Hydrophobia means extreme fear for water. Fever for 2 to 12 weeks. Exaggeration in behavior. Rabies is fatal disease. It can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptoms. Symptoms appear within 90 to 175 days of the dog bite. Some more infectious diseases are given in the table. Now last part is assignment. Thank you.